Yo, what's up, guys? How are you all? Welcome to Tech Knowledge. So, let's get into the video. First, you all know about the basic syntax of C programming. So, first we fit it into this compiler. Hash include these brackets, these arrow brackets. You have to write these arrow brackets. In that, studio dot h, the next line, hash, include conio dot h. This Sonio we write here for the console input and output. If we want to get an output in console, we use this conio dot h in here. That is the header line. In this curly bracket, our main code is written. First, we write this clear screen. This clear screen is used to clear our output screen, because if we write there the code, if we write here and after that run, the screen is not clear. After that, get ch for get characters there. And for the multiplication, the basic multiplication, we have to take a three variables, like that. We take a b c. Okay, a b c. First we have to tell that what our variable is. Our variable, the variable is our integer, so that's we have to use int for that. Int a comma int b comma c. After that, our after that we have taken a variable. We write, uh, we give the values for the variable. The variable is that in which we can store our values. So we have to write here a value. A, we take 5. 5 in A, and in B we take 5. And in C, the third variable is C. We have to store our A and B in C variable. Like this, C equals to A, and which arithmetic operation we are performing. We are performing multiplication, so for multiplication this symbol is used. This symbol is used for multiplication. And in this video we are looking for our dividation, our division process. So we take here, for divide, this forward slash is used for divide. And b, a divide by b, we have to change value for understanding. In A we take 10, and in B we have taken 5. After that, what we have to print in that? So we have to give it a command in printf, like printf. Printf is a function, so we have to write printf, this bracket and semicolon. Don't forget to write semicolon. If you forget to write a semicolon, you will get an error. These double quotes, and in these double quote we write a message. Enter, the division of A and B is. And don't forget to write %d. Why we use %d? We use %d for our decimal. And after that we have to print here which variable or which value we have to print. We have to print our c, so we write here c. And if we run our program, control F9, you have seen that there is an error. So we have to find, okay, C. Our error is in our first line. This is the typing mistake. Our word is stdio. We have mistakenly write there I. So that's why it gives us a error. So control F9, once again our program is run, and the division of 10 by 5 is 2. If you want to understand in brief, so we can edit our program. We write here a equals to percent d and b equals to percent d, and also I think first we try. No. So we have to write here all variables like comma a, comma b, and comma c. So after that we print it. So you can see the value of a is 10 and b is 5. So the division of 10 and 5 is 2. So this is our division program. We have learned how we can perform division or divide any number in C programming. So that's all. And in our next video, we are going to see about scanf function. The scanf function is that which value we have to input in our output screen. So we use there a scanf function, like like we have to input any value, like our printf. See this printf, our printf is the division. In that printf, we have written some message like enter the value for a, and we use scanf. So in output screen, we have to put that value for a. That is a scanf. Next video we will see that. So thank you for watching this video.